Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I've never done anything like this before, so I've been watching a load of YouTube videos recently, especially some by an artist in Florida, and the name is Molly's Artistry. I'll put a link in the description down below. She does some really cool liquid acrylic pouring, which basically is just some acrylic paint that you mix together. You layer it in a cup and then you just pour it. So she has inspired me to create some artwork. So yeah, let's give this a try.
Let's go!
So yeah, there you go. I'm going to leave it at that. That's my first acrylic pour. I'm going to be doing some more of them because they're quite fun. I think my paints were way too thick because I just wasn't getting a nice run. So yeah, that's it guys. Hope you liked it. It's my first video. Hope you like it. More videos to come and more art to come. Thanks for watching.